Earning credits on Gran Turismo 7 can be quite hard, but today I'm going to show you how I managed to make 1.2 million credits in about 15 minutes. I've been playing this game for only 2 months now, so if I was able to do that, I'm sure you can do that yourself. Alright, let's try this circuit experience at Tokyo Expressway. Counterclockwise. Same exactly car we are racing now on the daily race C or B that's going on. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, so daily race B at this point was happening exactly at Tokyo Expressway, counterclockwise, and the best car for that daily race was also a Supra. So I decided to use the experience I got from the races and put into the circuit experience, and as you can see, it's working really good. Let's do it again, because I lost a little bit of time here and I can't actually do this too. Alright, that's better. It's a bit better. So if you're just starting on Gran Turismo, right, you probably have tons of circuit experience that you haven't completed yet. So this is a great way for you to make a good amount of credits really quick. Alright. I don't know if the brake bounce was gonna be already set up. Oh, it's on racing hard. That changes a little bit. I didn't realize it was racing hards. Yeah, one thing you have to keep in mind is that the circuit experience is not always gonna be identical. However, the experience you're getting from the daily races will 100% help you throughout the process of completing the circuit experience. Hards are crazy. All right. First attempt. Hold it. All right. And another section completed, and it's been less than 5 minutes I've been doing this. So you can see that the outcome is really good. I know this car likes to be short shifted. Alright, I can brake a little later than that. And yeah, it's not bad. Right. So got this one done first attempt. But one thing I wanted to mention is that if there's a track at any of the daily races you want to race and you've never raced that before, you can come here, look for that track, and do the track first, do the circuit experience first, complete all of them on gold. You're gonna get the credits, and then when you go to the daily race itself, you're gonna have a really good amount of experience on that track. So it's gonna make your
Especially in used
experience
tires.
at the daily races more enjoyable. I barely touched the wall. Oh my god. Go. Yeah. Barely made it. That's good. Let's do the whole track now. Alright. We need a 156. Alright, let's see. Oh my god, I gotta brake a little sooner. Just don't want to touch the walls. Oh, come on, man. At the last turn, I think we were close. It's important to keep in mind that making credits, it's never gonna be that easy.
Yeah,
It's gonna take a little bit of time no matter what way you take. But one thing I like to keep in mind is that
I think we're close.
you can make credits and increase your skills. You know what I'm saying? Like, the game gives you these circuit experience and it rewards you really well,
Oh my god.
but you get a lot out of it as a
First
driver.
attempt was so clean.
So always keep that in mind. The grind might be worth the credits and
almost had it first
you
try.
improving yourself. as we go through this lap, I would like to ask, if you're liking the video so far, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's a really small channel. I'm hoping to get 500 subscribers soon, so if you want to help me with that, I'd really appreciate it. And if you also can leave a like, that would be great. Thank you so much. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Lost some precious time there. I try to brake a little later, and it seems like it wasn't a good idea. Come on, easy now. Oh my! Oh, we got it. Whoa, with some room. I thought we had to do 156 flat. There we go. Here's my reward. Yay. Yay. I have it. 1.2 million credits in about 12 minutes. I think that's awesome. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and leave a like. Thank you so much.